Hello children, how are you? Fine? Good. So children, today our subject is English. So children, in English, in the small letters we have completed small letter A and small letter B. So now we will learn letter C. This is small letter C and this is capital letter C. So children, what is the sound of C? C says K. Okay? So let's revise the identifiers of letter C. C for cat, C for cake, C for car, C for cock, C for cow, C for clock, C for crayons and C for cup. So children, you already know how to write capital letter C, right? So now we will learn how to write small letter C. Children, small letter C is very easy to write. You have to start from the second line, from this blue line, and draw one curve line to the third line. Small c, easy. Children, capital C and small c both are same, just small c is little bit small. You have to write small c in between of second line and third line. Let's trace again. Only one curve line. And children, what you have to speak when you writing C? C says K. Now how to write C? Let's write here. From the second line you have to start and draw one right curve to the third line. Letter C, small letter C. C says K. Like this way you have to complete these 4 lines. Okay children? Now let's write in our English book. First children, you have to trace here. Okay? You just have to draw one right curve. This is small letter C. C for cap. Now let's write here. Children, in these 4 lines you have to write between of second line and third line. See here, one dot is given. So if you have to start from this dot. And just draw one small curve. C. C says K. What you speak? C says K. Like this way you have to complete this full page. Okay? After C, which letter will come? D. This is small letter D and this is capital letter D. That so you know already, right children? And what is the sound of D children? D. D says D. So let's revise the identifier of D. D for duck, D for dinosaur, D for dog, D for doll, D for donkey, D for duster, D for door and D for deer. Children, this is capital letter D and you know how to write capital letter D. So now we will learn letter D, small letter D. Okay? So let's write first what we do? Tracing. Let's trace letter D. What we do? From the first line we have to start, draw one standing line to the third line and then left side. Children, which side? Left side you have to draw curve line. Small letter D. First line to third line standing line, then second line to third line draw small curve. This is right curve. Children, you have to draw right curve. Okay? Now let's write D. First you have to trace this line and then we will write here. So let's write how to write. We have to start from the first line to third line. First we do standing line and then from the second line to third line we do curve line and join to the standing line. This is small letter D. D says D. You have to speak D says D and write small letter D in this 4 line. So now let's write small letter D in our English book. First what you have to do? You have to trace here letter D. What we do? Standing line and this side draw one curve line and join to the standing line. Small letter D. D says D. D for duck. So let's write now D for duck. Children, you have to start from the first line. Here one dot is already given, right? So you have to start from the dot. Draw one standing line to the third line. First line to third line. And then this side, which side? Left side. You have to draw in between of second line and third line one curve and join to the standing line. D for duck. D says D. What is the sound of D? D. Children, you have to speak and write D says D, D says D, and complete this full page, okay?